Our session today will be about research that we discuss what is meant by research. As we know, research has been defined in a number of different ways, and a broad definition of research is given by Martin Shuttleworth. The broadest sense, the word research means any gathering of data, information, and facts for the advancement of knowledge. So this definition is focused mainly on data collection, on the process of information generation and facts, aiming to advance our knowledge and our advancement of science. Another definition is given by Creswell, who stated that research is a process of steps used to collect, analyze information to increase our understanding of a topic or issue. So this research focuses mainly, this definition of research focuses mainly on the fact that it is a process. It is composed of several steps which we have to follow in order to collect and to analyze information, aiming to increase our understanding of a certain topic or a certain problem, for example, major public health problem or a major issue. Thus, we can concludes that the research consists of three steps. You pose a question, you formulate a question, a research question, and then we collect data to find answer for the question or the question or the research question and the research questions, and to present an answer that question in form of the results and the discussion and the conclusion, etc. Um, Another definition, which is more operational and more practical, is that systematic methodologic scientific approach for basic facts around a certain problem in order to find solutions based on these facts. And here is if it is of utmost important to understand in depth the components of the definition as it is more practical and more operational in order to build up a research project within acceptable frame that can be organized in a logic manner. Systematic, the research should be developed, implemented, and reported in a systematic manner. If we look to the these steps that we need to be systematic as a researcher. You have to be systematic from the moment you start thinking of a research topic, going on throughout the various steps of developing the proposal, implementing the proposal, data collection and data analysis, and generating of the results, discussing of the results, coming to the conclusion and the recommendation. And so we can have the steps as follows: that we select a problem for the research, then we formulate the research question, and the next step is to review the relevant interpretation in order to refine our research questions and the background of our research problem. Then we go for the formulating of the research objectives, and then we go for the data collection and data analysis to generate the results, and then we start interpreting and discussing the results in the discussion session, and then we hold discussion objectively, and then we conclude the results to develop the recommendation. That is the logic sequence of the research. Conclusively, the researcher should be systematic in every step throughout the conduct of the research. Methodologic in the sense that you need to adopt and use competently the research methods and approaches in order to ensure reliability of the results and findings. This can be accomplished through in-depth understanding of the principles and concepts of various research methods. Another point to be considered here is that understanding the research methodology alone does not guarantee that the conducted research will be of acceptable quality. This leads us to state clearly that learning by doing is the best uh, way and approach to gain experience in conduct of the research. Lastly, the aim of the research is to solve a problem. We have to think of it. Understanding the principle of research methodology is needed, but learning by doing will facilitate for the researcher to gain experience and to produce high quality research. Thank you very much.